guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be going to Brussels in Belgium. As of now, it's obligated to wear a face mask when you take the train, when you're in the station. Yeah, it's because of the coronavirus and everything. Okay, I just arrived at the Brussels South station and now I will go look for the subway which will take me to the Atomium. Subway, and the subway in Brussels is really convenient. If you want to go somewhere, you can reach almost any place in the center. Now I will walk to the Atomium, but I want to talk about this card for a second. It's €7.50 and it's valid for 24 hours, so it's really not so expensive and it will really take you everywhere. Corona times in Belgium, absolutely nobody around. It's like crazy. Let's have a walk to the Atomium. I will show you how empty it is here. Normally a lot of tourists, and I mean a lot, and now just look at this. Absolutely nobody. Completely empty. Crazy. Crazy times. I was planning to go to Porto next week as well, but of course my flight got cancelled. Yeah, crazy times to travel, crazy times in general. Hello guys, so I'm here at the Atomium, one of the most famous landmarks in Brussels. The Atomium is about 102 meter high and it was built for the Expo in 1958. Like you see, the Atomium has 9 huge balls, of which 5 are actually accessible to the public. The top has a restaurant and a panoramic viewpoint, 360 degrees across the city. So absolutely worth it if you have the time. Another nice place to visit, located at the foot of the Atomium, is Mini Europe. It's a miniature park where you can explore the most iconic buildings in Europe on a scale of 1 to 25. the beautiful Jubelpark. It's my favorite spot in Brussels to relax and enjoy the good weather. When it's good weather, because in Belgium that's sometimes a problem. Oh, something happened, I think. Like always in Brussels. The park was created in 1880 as a celebration of the 50 years independence of Belgium. So here, beautiful arch. Personally, I think it's even better than the arch in Berlin. But it's my personal opinion. So let's see what's more to explore here. So guys, like you see, the Army Museum is just behind me, and it's really an impressive museum to visit. It has a lot of different things to see, like guns, planes, tanks, whatever you can imagine. It's really big. If you want to see me visit it in the next video, maybe leave some comments below, let me know, and I will do it for you guys. So just across the Army Museum and the arch is Autoworld. A Franklin Model G, top speed 70 km/h. I would love to cruise in that. Look at this, a motorhome from 1924. Just imagine you go travel with that. What a beast is this. The McLaren GTR Senna. Oh my god. The Lamborghini Aventador. The Bugatti Chiron. Who doesn't love this car? So I just left Autoworld. It was a nice experience. Amazing hypercars they have there. Apparently it was the last weekend. It was a temporary collection, but yeah, it was really worth it. So let's see what we will do now. What do Belgians love the most? Fries, of course. So let's go try them here at Maison Antoine. Cheers, guys. The good thing about this place is that you can just take your fries to a cafe at the square and just eat them here, have a cold drink and relax. So I finished my meal from Maison Antoine. Very good fries. The better in Brussels. Well, now I'm having a walk in Park Leopold. Like you can see, it's a small park just behind the European Quarter. Look at this bridge. It reminds me of Venice. But no gondolas, but cars here. Hey guys, I'm here at the heart of the European Union. So the building here is the European Commission, and a little bit further there they say the future is Europe. Well, some people will agree, some people will disagree. Maybe share it in the comments. I'm now at the heart of the European Union and the European Parliament. If you want, you can visit the Parliament. It's over there. You can learn a little bit about the history of the European Union. It's free to enter, so if you have some time to spare, you can always visit it. And this is the square here. So I'm walking now at the front of the Royal Palace and with my friend Kimberly. How long you live here? How long you live here?
4 years.
4 years? And what you like the most in Brussels?
Nothing.
Nothing. You don't. She doesn't like anything. Okay.
Everything is okay.
Everything is fine. Okay. Okay. I see. A lot of police here today because I think the king is inside this building. The flag is up, like you can see. A lot of police in the area and absolutely nobody here. So, yeah. The king has arrived. This one is from the Robbie cartoon. It was one of my favorite when I was a kid. There are about 50 murals like this around Brussels. Manneken Pis has COVID-19. He's covering up. Do you know Manneken Pis actually sometimes pees until here? It was in the news before.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know what people yell then? Go and shower, go and shower. So this is the peeing girl. You also have the peeing dog. So actually inside this building, the Broodhouse, is the real Manneken Pis statue. Not the one that's there.
The one is there.
No, not the one that's there. And also inside this building they have more of 1,000 costumes of Manneken Pis, which were used in different occasions, like for example when Belgium played the World Cup. They had 2004 different beers.
Yes.
So It's a lot.
Yeah, but
If you think about it, how many years you should need if you go drink one beer. If you drink one beer every day of the year.
we should
A couple of years, eh? Yeah. So yeah, if you want to get wasted, just try every beer on the cart.
Yes.
Hey guys, thank you for watching this video about Brussels. Please like, give a comment and subscribe. Thank you and see you next time.